Let's explore bird names that start with the letter Q. It's surprisingly tricky. There aren't many commonly known bird species with names beginning with Q, which makes this a unique and slightly challenging topic. 1. The most well-known example is probably the quetzal. These stunning birds, with their vibrant plumage and long tail feathers, are found in Central and South America. There are several species of quetzal, each with slightly different characteristics, but all sharing that magnificent appearance. They're often considered symbols of freedom and beauty. 2. Next, we have the Queensland wonga pigeon. As the name suggests, these birds are native to Queensland, Australia. They're large, relatively uncommon pigeons, known for their striking plumage of mostly bluish-gray and their beautiful, mellow calls. Their size and plumage can make them relatively easily identifiable in their native habitat. 3. Moving a bit further afield geographically, we come to the Queen of Spain's hair-streak butterfly. While it isn't strictly a bird, it's worth mentioning due to the queen in its name, and it frequently appears in searches alongside birds starting with Q. It's a butterfly, known for its striking appearance, and it's just one example of how the letter Q can sneak into nature's nomenclature in unexpected ways. 4. We could also look at regional or less commonly used names that might incorporate the letter Q. Birders and ornithologists sometimes use colloquial names, or names specific to a certain region, that might start with Q. But these would be more difficult to standardize and might vary greatly depending on location. These regional names sometimes evolve from local dialects and customs, and are therefore less likely to appear in mainstream bird identification guides. 5. Finally, it's worth mentioning that many birds are given names based on their sounds. While we don't have a commonly known bird called, say, quibird or quackbird, many birds have sounds that have been incorporated into their names or nicknames. This shows that sounds, rather than the initial letter of their name, often play a significant role in how birds are known and categorized. So while bird names starting with Q are relatively few and far between, exploring this topic has allowed us to discover some truly remarkable and beautiful birds and consider the different ways that birds get their names.